I should make this more often. Let's start with dough. Add water gradually. And let's go hands-on. Clean bowl. Wrap it in cling film plastic wrap. Let it rest. That way it will become more elastic. While the dough is resting, let's make the filling. Chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are cut into chunks. I'm mincing it in food processor. Minced chicken. Grated carrot. Finely minced onion. Leek. Grated ginger. Paprika. Chili powder. Soy sauce. Black pepper. 1 egg white. 1 to 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Hands on. The dough is very well rested and it becomes very elastic. Siomai or dumplings, which is the correct one? Let me know in the comment section. Let's make homemade dumplings or siomai. It's Chinese New Year. Let's put the filling. Put lining on your steamer. I can almost taste it.